Hello there, Pisces. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is for January 2022. And how I do these readings, you know. First, I'll be looking at the first 15 days of January for you, then the remaining 15 days of January for you. And what we're going to be doing is we'll be looking at your career and relationships separately. Okay? So let's see the first 15 days of January for you, Pisces. Also, while watching this is a general reading, so keep that in mind. First 15 days of January for Pisces. Yang. Ooh. I see you feeling very energetic, Pisces. You will be doing certain things. You will actually be putting live efforts in certain things to make things happen. And I also see that at this stage of your life, you have some guidance from the universe, probably signs, synchronicities, which will help you navigate through your journey, is what I pick from here. You would know how to proceed, what to do next, etc., etc. There will be this very strong inner knowing which will help you in this whole month. So don't ignore that inner knowing. And I'm also seeing that you're taking action with that inner knowing. The yang energy actually indicates the positive side of being fiery. Okay, I'm not getting into negativity because I mean, obviously we all practice balance, so this shouldn't be out of balance. I mean, not too much of effort, but the effort needed to do something. Okay, let's see the remaining 15 days. It'll give me an idea if you're overdoing it or not doing it. Okay, remaining 15 days of January for Pisces. Yes. So you're doing it right because I see a sense of newness, renewness, regeneration, understanding, all of that. All of that happening for you. There are like, I mean, there are parts of you which could have been angry, and you. Now that anger has now channelized in a proper way, I feel. And now things would be a little better for you. You would be a better and mature person because, see, it's giving. There are plants coming out. So basically, it's fertile. The way you're approaching things is good, Pisces, and that's the way you should be. All right, that's the way you should be. So now let's look at your career. How does your career look like? Career for Pisces, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands, the Sun, and the Ace of Swords. Okay. So for your career, I am seeing that there might be an offer coming your way, but you got to be careful and see that you might not land yourself into the same soup that you did initially. So be a little careful, and this time just express what is supposed to be expressed. Ask for what you want. Okay, for example, if you've been selected at a job, or if you're starting something, I mean, this is a more of a job scenario. So what I feel here is that be very vocal about, okay, this is what I'm going to do. This is something that I cannot do. Okay, this thing has to be very open to you. Otherwise, you'll again land up in the same place for which you probably left something in the past. Okay, now let's look at your relationships for the month of January, Pisces. Your relationships for the month of January: Six of Swords, Prince of Staves, I saw the Tower. Okay. If you don't control the way you talk or the way you are, I don't know, I'm picking up something negative in the way you approach certain things. If you don't watch out on that, I see you losing out on a very beautiful relationship, a very beautiful person for that matter. Okay, it can blow things up, literally blow things up, and you'd regret it later. That's what I see. You will regret it later, and you will not be happy about the whole thing because it doesn't make you happy. It doesn't. And it's more of like you want to be in it, but still it is difficult. I see that, you got to be a little calm, like, because here I'm seeing that yes, you're doing certain things in a good way, but you got to understand where is the other person coming from. Okay, you also have to know that, okay, this person also has certain issues. Okay, so don't be harsh on this person. If you have to do something, you do it, that's fine. But if you land up being harsh, then you might lose out on a good bond. Like, I'm not saying that love or anything, but a friendship also might just go away and you would be sad about it later. You will regret it later. So don't do that. Okay? Let's see what the runes have to advise you. The hearts. This is kind of telling me that somewhere around the timing of February, post February, like end of February and mid March, just be a little bit careful about your temper. I'm doing a January reading, but then it's coming up as a message, so I'm telling you. Plus, I feel somewhere that you might feel a little envious about certain things. So that you got to be careful of, because you might, okay, with the yang energy, now I get it. With the yang energy in you, sometimes you might just fail to understand the other person's perspective. and that can happen if you are feeling too fiery, or if you're not, if you are probably operating from a place of ego. Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. I just feel that you got to be a little more energized in terms of knowing that you, if you have yang, you have yin too. Okay, so the yin part of it needs to be also checked, and you got to be calm and patient when you're dealing with someone. You can't hurt people. I see that in January you might, so just be a little careful over there. Okay. All right, Pisces. So that's what I have for you. Runes readings are open, so you can reach out to me. It's a wonderful way of divining certain things, of timing, etc., etc. It really gives you quite deep insights about what you need to be careful of and what you should not, what you should do. So private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. All right, and I shall see you soon again with more readings. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.